If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to make sense of your data or spot important trends without spending hours digging through spreadsheets, then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Outlier AI, a powerful tool that automatically finds key insights, unusual patterns, and hidden opportunities in your data without you needing a technical or coding background. And the best part, you can get started in just a few minutes. And if you want to follow along or try it for yourself, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and go to the official website, which is outlier.ai. Now, if you're wondering what exactly is Outlier AI, is a powerful tool that helps you analyze data automatically using artificial intelligence. So instead of manually going through spreadsheets or reports, Outlier AI scans your data for you and highlights unusual patterns or outliers that you might otherwise miss. It's useful for businesses, marketers, and anyone who wants to make smarter decisions based on real data without needing a deep technical or coding background. Having said all of that, on the top corner, there is the login button. I want you to click on it and you will be forwarded here. You can simply use your personal or business email, and to make the account creation faster with Outlier, you can use your Google account. Always remember, use our affiliate link in the video description to help you get started with Outlier AI and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you will receive a message like this one. If you have an account with remote tasks, you will be redirected. But if not, just wait for it, refresh, and what will happen is that you will see a welcome message, and just below that, your next steps. So basically, this is going to be your checklist to get fully set up and start earning. Of course, you need to create your profile. So let's click the go button. You need to choose the playground and the projects. Okay. You need to provide all of the information needed. And then you need to verify the phone number before you can move forward to the steps 2, which is importing skills. Number 3 is verifying identity. Number 4 is verifying your skills. This is crucial to have a successful Outlier AI account. Once you are done creating your profile, now let's talk about one of the most important steps in getting started with Outlier AI, which is importing your skills. This part uses your skills to match you with the right projects. So the more accurate and complete your profile is, the better opportunities you'll get. Okay, so first you have the required section. You have 2 main options here. You can connect your LinkedIn account, which is honestly the easiest way because it will automatically pulls in your experience and your background. Or if you prefer, you can upload your resume instead. Just make sure it's updated so Outlier can properly assess what you're good at. You can also add things like your academic email, especially if you're a student or affiliated with a university. This can help you get matched with more specialized or higher quality projects. And of course, if you have like a Google Scholar, personal websites, or GitHub, you can do that. At the end of the day, think of this step as setting yourself for success. The more details you provide, the more Outlier can connect you with more projects that actually fits your skills. Now, all you have to do at this point is click the import and review. Wait for it because you will be forwarded to the verify identity. Now at this point, you can review your skills if you want, and then let's click the save skills. All right, so once you are inside the platform, you will notice you have 4 main sections at the top: the homepage, marketplace, earnings, and quality. Now, essentially, the marketplace is where you'll actually find available projects or tasks. So think of this as the place where opportunities show up and you can choose what you want to work on. Then we have the earnings. It's pretty straightforward because this is where actually you'll find available projects or tasks. Think of it as the place where opportunities show up and you can choose what you want to work on. Right now, since this is a newly created account, we don't have any earnings yet, but the earnings is pretty straightforward. Okay? So you can track how much you have made, you can monitor the progress and see your payouts over time right here. You can search the ID, you can search the date range, and matter of fact, you can download the CSV for cross references. Okay? And then the quality is the section, which is super important because it reflects how well you're performing. Your quality score can affect what projects you get access to, so it's something you definitely want to keep an eye on. So once you understand these four sections, navigating the platform becomes way more easier. You see there is like a small circles on the top corner. If you click on it, you have more options here. Now let's quickly go over these sections. Number one is the referral. Now the referrals is where you can invite others to join using your unique link. If someone signs up through your link, you may earn bonuses to a rewards depending on the program. That's why check out our affiliate link in the video description to get started. It's a simple way to get more value by just sharing. And then you have the skills. This is super important because it helps you match with the right projects. Make sure your skills are updated. Okay, so we highly recommend that. And of course, you might want to check the webinar so that you can join training sessions, learn new tools, and improve your performance, especially if you are just starting out with Outlier. The community is where you can connect with other users. You can ask questions, share tips, and learn from people who are already experienced. And if you ever feel stuck, this is a great place to get help. And finally, the project history shows all of the work you have completed. You can track your progress, review past projects, and see how you have been performing over time. Now, we are going back here on the top corner. This is going to be your profile icon. You have more options here to customize your experience using Outlier AI. Again, if you're not yet done with the verification, you can simply go back to the homepage. Okay? You see that you have the payment setup required. This is essentially important so that you'll be paid accordingly with the Outlier AI, and you can track your earnings by doing so. So let's go to the payment setup required. You will be forwarded to a new page, all right? But before we do that, you want to make sure that you completed all these steps accordingly here in Outlier AI, so you can not only try the playground, you can also unlock projects, earn money by working on the projects available here in Outlier AI. All right, that brings us to the end of today's video on how to use Outlier AI, which is a platform that connects skilled individuals with real AI-related projects. We walk you through how to set up your profile, import your skills, and position yourself to get matched with the right projects. The more complete and accurate your profile is, the better your chances of landing opportunities. So whether it's data labeling, reviewing AI outputs, or contributing your expertise, it's basically a way to earn by helping improve artificial intelligence systems. Now, if you're interested in getting started, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description below. That's the easiest way to sign up and start exploring available projects right away at no extra cost to you. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.